in this question from the set theory says, in a group of 950 students, 750 like coffee and 480 likes tea. You have to find the number of students who like both tea and coffee, number of students who like only coffee, and those who likes only tea. Now we can do using Venn diagram at the same time. We can solve it using formula. Now, let's say, for example, if I consider this to be the number of people who like coffee, and let's say this be the number of people who like tea, right? And in the first part, what do we have to find out is the number of people who like both tea and coffee. That means we have to find this common reason here. Let's begin with the first part, right? Writing the information we have. Let's say if I talk about the number of people who like tea as n of a, sorry, we started with coffee. So let's say it is 750. And the number of students who, or the number of people who like tea is 480. Now, considering as it is not given that all students like either tea or coffee, so it has to be that out of this 750, they must be liking any one of them. So either tea or coffee should be how much? 950. Now, we have a direct formula here for finding the number of the relation here with n of A union B is what? It is n of A plus n of B, that is the number of number of people in B minus the common, that is n of A intersection B. So I can replace n of A union B with 950, n of A with 750, plus n of B with 480. And this is what we have to find out, that is n of A intersection B. Now transposing n of A intersection B to the left, then we are going to add this. So 0 plus 0, 8 plus 5 is 13, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12, minus 950. So we conclude that here the difference is how much? This is 0. 13 minus 5 is 8. This is 11 minus 9 is 2. So we'll say that n of A intersection B is 280. And you can see this is what we have to find out. That is how many like both tea and coffee. So we can say that this common reason here is, we got this as 280. Now in the next part, how many likes only tea? Only tea. That means only tea will be from the number of people who like only tea, which is this, right? Minus the one who likes both tea and coffee. That will give you the number of people who like only tea. So for the second part, this is n of A, which is 750 minus 280. So if I subtract minus 280, what will get? 470. So only T will be, say, this one, this reason. Now, same way, we have to find the number of people who like. First, I calculated only coffee. Sorry, we were doing coffee only. The next one is tea. So this is for finding the number of people who like only tea, right? Should be what? N of B minus n of A intersection B. So what we can conclude that from this whole reason, if I subtract the one who likes both tea and coffee, will give you the remaining reason. That means this portion should give the people who like only tea. So we have n of B, as you can see, it's 480. So 480 minus the intersection, which we have calculated as 280. So it should give you 200. So finally, we can write down the answers for each part. So for the first part, it was 280. For the second part, we got as how much it was? 470. And for the third part, we got as 200. So this is how these three parts can be done.